What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to split and trim video clips using CapCut on your mobile device. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure the video is added to the timeline. To trim the beginning of your clip, drag the playhead, the vertical white line, to the point where you want the video to start. Then, tap on a clip in the timeline to select it. It will be outlined in white when selected. Now tap and hold the start edge of the clip and then drag it to the playhead position. This trims off the beginning portion of the video. Next, if you want to remove a section from the middle of the video, move the playhead to the start of the part you want to cut out. With the video still selected, tap Split at the bottom left. This divides the clip into two sections. Then, move the playhead to where you want the video to resume and tap Split again. You will now have a separate segment between the two splits. Select that segment, make sure it's highlighted, and then tap Delete. This cuts out the unwanted part and smoothly connects the two remaining clips. Finally, to trim the end of your video, drag the playhead to where you want it to stop. Tap the clip and then grab the end handle of the video and drag it to the playhead. That's how you can quickly split and trim clips in CapCut to keep only the parts you want in your final edit. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.